Top 10 cheapest vintage cars. Number 1. Mercedes-Benz 450 SL. 1976 year of issue. 1976 Mercedes-Benz 450 SL convertible with hardtop and soft top with strong V8 custom purple paint job. Almost all other items are original. Drives good, shifts good, engine not smoking, interior only minor wear. Garaged indoors until recently. Car is from California with a short stay in New Mexico. No snow-related issues like rust. All glasses good, new tires, new car cover. Support the creation of our videos with your subscription. Number 2. Mercury 2 Dr. Coupe. 1953 year of issue. 1953 Mercury 2-door Mercury is all original and was a driver when parked. The Mercury has been owned since new by one family and 3 generations. It has a flat head and 3-speed on the column, original paint and upholstery. Lived most of its life inside and has 1 spot on roof. With little rust showing, good rubber and original hubcaps. All chrome on car with 1 small dent and molding piece. Very good condition and be great project for original car. Number 3. Volkswagen Beetle. 1970 year of issue. 1970 Volkswagen 1600 I am selling my 1970 Volkswagen Beetle in a vibrant green exterior with a sleek black interior. It's powered by a reliable air-cooled 1600cc 6L rear engine paired with a smooth 4-speed manual transmission. The car boasts a clean title and has new tires and an additional side mirror still in its box. I don't have the time to install them. However, it's worth noting that the radio requires wiring. And there's some rust present around the exhaust. The vehicle features brand new upholstery and a fresh coat of paint. The most recent service performed was a realignment to ensure a smooth ride. Number 4. Chrysler Newport, 1965 year of issue. Solid body starts and runs California rust-free. Been there its whole life. At RH Motorcars, we're enthusiasts first. We want you to enjoy your new car from the minute it's delivered and the trailer door drops. Before a car leaves our shop, it's gone through comprehensively. Both visually and mechanically. We do more than just kick the tires, though. We road test, if the weather permits us here in Cleveland. And polish it inside and out. We're proud of our inventory and do our best in describing each example as accurately as possible. Number 5, Volkswagen Beetle, 1979 year of issue. Everything was replaced with new parts: wheels, tires, caps, and interior. Has a brand new high-end convertible top with glass rear window. Engine rebuilt with all new parts, but with the VW fuel injection system removed. Front and rear fenders are not original. Running boards are corrugated steel and not the thin strip type from China or Brazil. Sound system is AM/FM compact. Disc player CDX. GT11W comes with original 1979 VW Beetle convertible owner's manual. It has always been garaged, kept, and was never exposed to rain. There and no rust anywhere. The underside of the car is clean with no rust or buildup of any kind. The 4-speed shifter is indexed and is a great improvement to the Oriole shifter. Number 6, Rambler Custom. 1960 year of issue. The wife and husband selling this 1960 Rambler Custom 4-door sedan describe the car as original and unrestored. With a single respray in the original colors. No modifications from new are reported with the powertrain, exterior, interior, or undercarriage. The car presents strongly and has just been given a general maintenance overall according to the owners. Number 7, Triumph TR7, 1980 year of issue. Description: Triumph TR7, red tan, California car with only 41,431 miles, no rust. Runs and drives clean. Paint oxidized, may come back, but we recommend a respray for best showing. Interior decent with a few tears. Absolutely ideal candidate for entry-level to mid-tier restoration. Extremely rare fuel-injected version. Number 8, Jeep Gladiator, 1965 year of issue. (1965) Jeep J200 pickup. Non-running 4WD 4.0 liter engine, very little rust. Needs tires aired up. Interior okay. Number 9, MG Midget. 1979 year of issue. 1,979 milligrams. Midget in very good condition, runs great. 54,465 original miles. Car was restored at 49,000 miles. The engine and transmission was professionally rebuilt while being restored. New convertible soft top, installed in 2020. I've owned this car for 35 years and has always been garage kept. Car is most all original. Original paint job still looks very good. Number 10. MG MGB. 1979 year of issue. (1979) limited edition MG Model B car runs well. Minor issues with gauges, thermometer gauge isn't working. The paint is in okay condition, minor chips and scratches. I have the frame for the convertible top, but it is damaged. Good project car, has lots of potential. If you're interested in more vintage cars for sale, be sure to subscribe to the channel. You'll be helping us out a lot.